Did you ever wonder maybe what you've been taught is completely wrong? Like maybe it's wrong, maybe it's not right, maybe it's not the best way. I believe that our parents had our best interest, have always, for the most part, had our best interest in mind. But you think about it, what did mom and dad say? They said, go to school, get a job, work for 40 years for somebody else, okay? That's what they said. And that's what was success in their generation. Now, real quick, if it sounds like I have a lisp, I do. It's because I have Invisalign and see, rubber bands. Not so fun. Dog ate my retainer when I was a little kid, when I had braces. Well, I got them put back on. $6,000 mistake, but that's okay because when you have money, you can dress like a douche, have roses on your t-shirts, and pay $6,000 for Invisalign. But it brings me to my point. Maybe what we've been taught, maybe what you've been taught is the wrong information. Okay, the wrong information being the hardest worker always makes the most money. Right now, I'm driving through a construction zone. Usually in the summer, this area that I'm in is about 100 degrees. When people are working construction, digging ditches, are they working hard? Fuck yeah, they're working hard. They're working extremely hard on the wrong thing, okay? The hardest worker is not the one that gets paid, okay? Then there's that saying that, oh, work smart, not hard. The smartest worker also doesn't get paid. Because if the smart worker isn't working hard, he ain't getting paid as much as he could be paid. So you being a boy, a girl, male, female, black, white, Asian, Hispanic, legal, illegal, gay, straight, you got a dick, you got a vagina, you got both, I don't fucking care. What I'm saying is that you need to work hard and smart. Somebody once said, without a lisp, by the way, smash the like button if you're brand new to the channel, tap the notification bell if you'd like for me to offend you even more than I've already done to this point. But the thing is, you can't be comfortable. Like, comfortable doesn't allow you to grow. What allows you to grow is being told like it is, no sugarcoating, no bullshit. Here it is. You either fucking suck or you're a winner. You're either on the podium or you're to the left of the guy that got first place or to the right of the guy that got first place. You lost. Do better, come back, win next time. All right? Always improving. But you might have the wrong information. All right? You might have the wrong information. Somebody once said that a ladder leaned against the wrong building does no good. Doesn't matter how high you climb the ladder if it's leaned against the wrong building. So have the right building, have the right skyscraper, and be building and crawling up the right ladder. That's it. That's it. A ladder leaned against the wrong building does you no good. Okay? If you're climbing the wrong ladder, if you're climbing a ladder leaned up against the wrong building, it doesn't make sense. Where are you getting your information from? If you're learning about money, okay? Hold my phone for a second here because this definitely is not it's propped up against the A-pillar in my truck, right? We got some fancy freaking tools here at Millionaire Mafia. Shit. Where are you getting your information from? If you're learning about money, guys, why are you learning it from the finance advisor that makes $72,000 per year, Edward Jones, okay? Why are you learning a degree in finance from a professor that makes 70, 80K a year? That's middle class, okay? If you're trying to become a fitness trainer or a weight loss coach, why aren't you taking advice from the guy that's 5'4", shaped like a potato? Gosh dang it. 5'4", shaped like a potato, and weighs 236 pounds. Hey guys, check this out. You want to learn about money? Learn from the Mormons. There's the Mormon temple. They know some shit. They really do. There's the Mormon temple, okay? The Mormons own this multi-million-dollar building. There's a guy with a trumpet on top. Okay, that's cool. Don't know who he is, but, you know, he must be important because he's on top of a building. They also own like a probably $10 million ranch just down the road from here. They own 600,000 acres in Nebraska for whatever reason. They're the largest walnut distributor in the United States. Mormons like nuts. They like walnuts. They don't like the caffeine stuff. They like walnuts. And they got some fancy ass homes. I'm not saying go become a Mormon, okay? But maybe learn from them about their money because they figured out some shit that most people don't know, okay? And every Mormon I've met has always been, for the most part, pretty disciplined and a hard worker. Because I believe due to the nature of their religion, there is a lot of discipline in it. And they always seem to be humble. They always seem to be approachable. They always seem to be ethical when it comes to politics. And when it comes to business, they're typically hard workers. Don't learn about work ethic from somebody that doesn't have it. Don't learn about money from somebody that doesn't have it. Okay? Don't seek mentorship from somebody that doesn't have the ability to mentor you in the things you want mentorship on. Learn from people that are doing what you want to do at the level you want to do it at. All right? Hey guys, if you're brand new to the channel, and if you haven't already, hit that like button. You need to do so right now, or forever hold your peace or penis or whatever you're supposed to do. All right? We don't need to be politically correct. So many people hate on Donald Trump. Oh, he's so offensive and stuff like that. You know what? I would rather have somebody say, here's the fucking problem, okay, and here's what we're gonna do to fix it, than say, hey, it's okay, buddy, good job, Timmy, you got the participation award, and you'll do better next time. No, Timmy sucked. Timmy doesn't deserve a participation award. Timmy did not win the race. Timmy needs to work his fucking ass off, and he can come back again next year and maybe work a little bit harder. Maybe he'll win, all right? I got no problem with that. You grow the most when you're out of your comfort zone. So if you want to be comforted by people that make you feel good, people that say, oh, illegal immigration's okay. Yeah, come on over. No problem. It's fine. We got plenty of jobs for you. Yeah, well, we'll take care of you. We'll pay your medical bills, your L&I. Yeah, no problem. No problem. Social Security. Yeah, fuck. Unemployment. Shit. No, you can have it. Make you feel comfortable? No. All right? Be a contributor in life. And if you want to learn something, you want to do great at it, learn from somebody doing what you want to do at the level you want to do it at, okay? Let's talk about money for a second, guys. Hey, appreciate you guys being on here. Appreciate all of you guys that support me, support the brand, are subscribed. You guys, I just want you guys to succeed. Now, I don't care if you're gay, straight, black, white, Asian, Hispanic, you think I'm racist, you're Muslim, a fucking Jew. I don't care, all right? I have respect for each and every one of you. If you're if you're a humble person, if you're ethical, if you're humble, if you want to contribute, I want you to do well. If you're unethical, you're not humble, you don't want to contribute, I got nothing for you, want nothing to do with you. I don't care if you're liberal, I don't care if you're Republican, I don't care if you're somewhere in between, I don't care if you know what the heck those two things are, all right? I want you to be a contributing member to society. I want you to do the best that you can do. I want you to run your own race. You're not in competition against anybody. I want you to run your best race, contribute, be humble, and learn from the people that are doing what you want to do at the level that you want to do that at. That's what I want from you guys, okay? I'm here to contribute to that. Hey, if you have any questions, if there's anything I can help with, drop them in the comments. I'm always here to help you guys. Right now, I'm driving over to the land. We decided, you know what? I'm going to sell the land. I'm going to buy 3 real estate deals because I got a lot of equity in the land. I'm going to buy 3 real estate deals, commercial, go into those, cash flow them, sell them, level up more, and start building that empire out. Money. Let's talk about money, guys. $80,000, $90,000, $100,000 per year is poverty. It is. You guys might not think so. That's because you've been bred and trained to not think so. $100,000 a year is poverty. $200,000, $250,000 per year, I wouldn't call it much above that either. See, with $100,000 a year, you'll keep about 62 to 65 after federal taxes, and if you have state income tax, that's going to chip away a little bit. You're going to have about $60,000 to $65,000 left. That's your mortgage, if you've got a mortgage, or your rent. That's your car payments. That's your gas, your PUD, your health insurance, your car insurance, your leisure, your food, everything, right? So when you look at this, you go, holy shit, there's nothing left. And to me, financial wealth is being able to save to invest, be able to live comfortably, be able to do the things you want in life, and be able to get ahead financially. And you get ahead financially by earning enough to pay your taxes, live comfortably, not have to be frugal, and being able to do the things that you want to do to the level you want to do these things at, okay? Without having to make drastic financial sacrifices. If you want to be financially wealthy, $100,000 a year doesn't do it. To get ahead, you need to be able to pay your taxes, live, pay your bills, do your stuff, and be able to invest. And most people, all they do is work, live, consume all of their income, pay taxes with the rest, and then do it again the next year, okay? Your IRA that you're contributing $300 a month to, $500 a month, $600 maybe by law, it's the most you can do. You're gonna get less than $1 million after saving. You're gonna get out 65 and you're gonna have $40,000 a year. Comment below if you think that makes sense, because $40,000 per year is further poverty. It's less than what you just spent the last 40 years making. It doesn't make any sense. My plan, what I'm doing is get my earned income up high enough, build my business, get it out there. The more people I get in front of, the more problems I solve, the bigger those problems are, the faster I solve, and the better I market, the more money I make. That's what I'm in the constant habits of doing. I do that, get my earned income up enough, get real smart with my taxes, and go into things where I can get into the passive income, into the capital gains territory, into the commercial real estate, so I have truly residual income paying me back. All right? And this is done in much lesser period of time. This is a 5-year plan, not a 25 to life plan, not a hey, work for 40 years for somebody else, get a gold rush, retire, and then suck balls making $40,000 per year plan. It's a 5-year plan to millions and millions of dollars. I've already done 7 figures, looking for 8. But your mom and dad, parents, teachers, friends, family don't know this. As a matter of fact, it's a scam to them. Their mindset is so fucked, they don't have the ability to think this way. I sure as heck hope you have the ability to think this way. And that's what I hope this video has inspired you to do. All right, through my Invisalign speech impediment here, I hope this video has inspired you to do that. Guys, appreciate you guys being subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, do so now. Anything at all. I want to know what you struggle with financially. Share it. Nobody's going to judge you. Comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.